It was a day unlike any other in Neverland. The lost boys were chasing shadows, mermaids sang lullabies by the lagoon, and up among the drifting clouds, Peter Pan was perfecting his loop-the-loops. But down in Pixie Hollow, something unthinkable happened. A wish, a powerful, glowing wish crafted by the oldest fairy, simply vanished. Tinker Bell, tiny and anxious, zipped across the sky, searching high and low. She found Peter Pan reclining on a leaf, whistling to the wind. Peter noticed the worry etched deeply across her usually exuberant face. "Tink, what's wrong?" Tinker Bell jingled urgently, her wings fluttering with stress, and pointed to the empty pedestal where the wish once glowed brighter than the morning sun. Peter's eyes grew wide. A wish gone missing? Wishes don't just vanish. But vanish it had, and with it, Neverland's laughter seemed dimmer. Peter and Tink set off, following a shimmering trail only visible to those who truly believe. The first clue led them to the trickling falls, where a cluster of water sprites hesitated before speaking. One sprite admitted, "A strange tick-tock bird swooped by last night, carrying something bright. It wasn't the crocodile, but it felt like trouble." Suspicion pulled Peter toward the pirate ship marooned off Skull Rock. He crept closer, while Tinker Bell hovered, casting faint glows beneath the plank. The deck was strangely quiet, save for the distant humming of First Mate Smee. Inside Captain Hook's cabin, Peter tiptoed silently, with Tinker Bell illuminating the darkest corners. Suddenly, something small scurried overhead. A pair of mischievous never-mice dashed past, carrying a golden pouch. Peter leapt, but the mice disappeared into a hole too small for him.